Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Canva invitation. To begin, open Canva and choose whether to start with a template or a blank canvas. It is helpful to select the correct dimensions for your invitation, such as 5 by 7 inches, right from the start. Then, you can explore the wide array of design elements available, including various fonts, colors, and graphics, to lay the foundation for your unique design. Now, let's personalize your invitation to truly make it yours. You can easily upload your own cherished images or select from Canva's vast photo library to add visual appeal. Carefully adjust the text boxes to ensure all your event details, like the date, time, and location, are clear and concise. Don't forget to experiment with various color palettes to perfectly match your event's unique theme and style. As you refine your invitation, remember to incorporate all necessary RSVP information, including contact details and a clear deadline for responses. It is crucial to ensure that all text is perfectly legible and positioned correctly within your design for maximum impact. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review the entire invitation for any potential spelling errors or grammatical mistakes, ensuring a polished final product. Once your invitation is perfect, it is time to share your beautiful creation with your guests. You can easily download your finished design in a suitable format, such as PDF print for high-quality printing or JPG for digital sharing. Canva allows you to share your invitation directly via email or across various social media platforms. For a more traditional touch, consider exploring professional printing options for a physical, tangible invitation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.